Hi, Jason at Fairhaven Gold here. I just wanted to talk to you about the recent heightened awareness of washing hands. We all know that in this COVID world we need to wash our hands more thoroughly, take more time, wash the backs of our hands and between our fingers, all of that. But I wanted to speak to you specifically about jewelry and how it tends to harbor bacteria that no matter how long you wash your hands, you're not going to get all of it out of there. In all my experience as a jeweler, I've encountered many rings. Most rings have varying levels of, detritus from skin and soap, and all of that causes bacteria buildup. So I wanted to tell you about something that I'm going to call curbside deep clean. And nowadays, with social distancing, I've come up with a way that you can drop off your jewelry to be cleaned, and it is in a safe atmosphere. You get a steam clean, ultrasonic cleaning, and it really gets all of that, bacteria out of the inside of your ring. So I'll show you on this ring here. It's an antique ring. I've removed the stone, but you can look inside of the ring here. Sorry. It is absolutely filthy in those corners, and most rings that are being worn are even more filthy than that. It gets up under where the stones are, and they are just covered in bacteria. So what I wanted to show you was, at any time, if you wanted to come to my store, 1302 12th Street, right across from the Sycamore Square building, you can just come, knock on the door, and then I have a mail slot at the bottom of my door that we could either, you could come in wearing a mask and we could fill out an envelope here, and I get your name, your phone number, and for the thorough deep cleaning, within an hour, I can, like I said, fully disinfect your rings, and you can come either pick them up through the door, or you can come in and feel comfortable at your leisure. But I just did want to tell you that it is probably a time to consider maybe cleaning your rings as well. And yeah, come talk to me about it in person, or you can always call on the phone, 360-733-4667. And yeah, I just wanted to let you know the service, and I think it's a great idea for everybody to be conscious of it. Have a great day. Bye.